Kerry, this is feedback for multi-camera techniques, Unit 23 LO2. So we're going to go through the witness statement nice and quickly to verify the information listed in this statement here, which says to prepare a multi-camera production, even though it didn't go that well. The final one, the pre-production and the written piece was excellent. Distinction, wasn't it? Your actual written piece, wasn't it? So here, just to state that you've carried out how many roles. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 roles. So 7 roles outlined on page 2 of the documents amongst the production team whilst being observed by me. You actually documented it on the Trello board as well in a lot of detail, which will be linked as well to this actual assessment. So in terms of the timed script you put together, it's very detailed. You managed to source the actual real script, even though there were some changes, wasn't there, in the actual version you found. I think you found the actual screenplay. Yeah. And I think the one they actually edited together in post-production in the actual 2004 film was a little bit different. Because you had to make some alterations there, which you did. You formatted it really well, timed meticulously, which makes me think, how did this go wrong? Because everything was so organised. The shot list is outlined as well, very detailed. Allocation of job roles, so you made sure everyone had their job and role, and everyone did and carried out their role really well on the Trello board, which again, just to go over it, was so sort of meticulous and detailed. Everyone has something to get their teeth into and to actually develop, and managed to complete and drag their card into the done column on Trello in good time as well. Camera operation. She was one of the camera operators, and the script as well, which I've mentioned. So you managed to cover a lot of roles here. So, in terms of the criteria, for the pass level, you plan a multi-camera production with some assistance. You needed no assistance from me at all. So that instantly puts you into the M2. Plan a multi-camera production competently and effectively, showing some imagination and with only occasional assistance. So you've had no assistance from me. And it's more than competent, and you've showed clear imagination to actually go ahead and sort of adapt, twist and change the script into something more manageable, which puts you into this category here. You've achieved the D2 by planning a multi-camera production to a quality that reflects near professional standards and shows creativity and flair, and you're working independently. So the pre-production is distinction level, easily. You know what I'm going to say. The actual production itself, but there was no actual finished production itself, so we're going to be using another production to try and map something across here. So D1 for multi-camera and D2 are distinction level now. It's that third one, that D3, which is the finished multi-camera production itself. So you did your lip sync for me, which I've just had a quick look at again when you were filling in that form for me, which now shows clear continuity editing, action match editing, competently putting together different effects and fluid storytelling between 3 fixed shots. You've got this little flourish with the multi-screen halfway through, which is quite nice as well. So what I'm thinking at this stage, with a week and a bit to go, in order to get an evidence of a multi-camera production that's to distinction level, is something we have to discuss in review, I think. But D1 and D2, Unit 23 has been achieved. Maybe some top-up activity, or to look at something else you put together, see if we can map that across, will be something we're going to do. But D2 has been achieved for this, so well done.